There comes a moment in every journey when dreams finally become reality. For Madani Islamic Academy, this was that very moment when we held the keys to our new building with knowledge, faith, and heartfelt prayers. This is not just a structure of bricks and walls, but a place illuminated by the prayers made over the years by every teacher, student, and caring parent. This space is more than just a school. It is our commitment, our responsibility, and the future of our next generations. On this blessed occasion, we also expressed our heartfelt gratitude to the hands that have always spread the light. Our online teachers, who not only delivered classes in unique ways, but also gave their time, attention, and sincere hearts to educate and nurture our children. These are the people who carried out a duty that is not just connected to books, but deeply rooted in hearts. They brought sincerity to every lecture, added love to every lesson, and treated every student like a prayer they were responsible for. These teachers didn't just teach online. They broke barriers, bridged distances, and stood by the students as true mentors. We didn't just hand them certificates. We celebrated their efforts, acknowledged their services, and offered them the respect they so truly deserve. Because we know, when a teacher teaches, they don't just deliver information. They shape minds, ideas, and build new worlds. Today, Madani Islamic Academy is stepping forward on a new foundation with the same promise: to offer education within the boundaries of Sharia with high standards and values-driven training. We ask you to help us spread this message. Share this with as many people as you can. Be part of this light. Perhaps your one share could guide a child to a brighter path. If you wish for your children to grow with knowledge, character, and Sharia-based values, then reach out to Madani Islamic Academy today. For contact, Pakistan, +923 0428 46421. UK International, +44 748 067 6283. Madani Islamic Academy, Sharia compliant, Islamic and academic education, where knowledge, character, and light grows together. Thanks. Jazakallah khairan.
Allah